Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Introduction to Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is, if A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sine B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos A upon 2. So guys, let us see. It looks like this question is a very simple and very easy one, but we need to try to understand like how we are going to prove that sine B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Now let us look at the question that it is being given that if angle A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC. Okay. So let us first of all draw a triangle. Then only we can understand what exactly we are looking for or how exactly we are going to prove this type of questions. So I'm going to draw, just here drawing a triangle here ABC. Now guys, here is a triangle A, B and C. Now this is what is being given in the question, that is I'm doing, and let these angles are angle A, sorry, this is angle B and this is angle C and this is angle A. So the angle A corner is angle A, angle B is angle B and this corner angle C is angle C. Now if A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that. Okay. So guys, here as per the question, A, B, C are the interior angles of a triangle. That means I can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, because we very well know that the sum total of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So for that reason only I am writing angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. I hope you got this point. Now I can write, or I can represent the above equation as angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree minus angle A. So guys, what I did, I just took angle A to the right side of the equation and I got that angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree minus angle A. Or simply I can write, instead of angle, simply I can write B plus C is equal to 180 degree minus A. So this is one of the equations that I got, let's say, from the given thing. And this is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This is being given in the question because these are the angles of an interior angles of a triangle. From this given equation or given question, we derived B plus C is equal to 180 degree minus A, and this is what we took it as equation number 1 or point number 1. Now let us move ahead. Now guys, the given question, let us put down the question here. So this question or the equation here, like sine B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos A by 2 or A upon 2, cos A upon 2. Now let us focus here on the left side of the equation, and we will prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So left side of the equation, what is being given? Sine B plus C upon 2. This is being given in the left side of the equation. Or I can write the left side of the equation as sine 180 degree minus A. How I did this, or why I am writing B plus C upon 2 as 180 degree minus A. Guys, just look at equation number 1. In equation number 1, you could see that B plus C is equal to 180 degree minus A. So what I did, I just replaced the values of B plus C with 180 degree minus A. So for that reason, I wrote that sine B plus C upon 2 as sine 180 degree minus A upon 2. Or the above equation I can write sine 180 degree or 180 by 2 minus A by 2. I believe we are very clear here what I am doing. Just I am segregating these 180 minus A upon 2 to 180 upon 2 minus A by 2. Now I can write, or sine 180 upon 2. 180 upon 2 is nothing but 90 minus a upon 2. I believe till here we are all very clear. Now guys, we know that sine theta, or I can say cos theta, we know that cos theta is equal to sine 90 degree minus theta. I believe till this is what we very well know from the books or from the these are the important identities or formulas, whatever it may be, just we need to remember. We know that cos theta is equal to sine 90 degree minus theta. Let the value of theta be a by 2. So I can write cos, or I can write cos a by 2. Considering theta is equal to a by 2, I can write cos a by 2 is equal to sine 90 degree minus a by 2. Now guys, this is what our equation number 2. So look here what we got here. We got sine 90 minus a by 2 from our original given equation we derived till here. And now we got cos a by 2 is equal to sine 90 degree minus a by 2. So the original equation, I can write the original equation now is, what I can write the original equation is cos a by 2, because sine 90 degree, or I can say sine 90 degree minus a upon 2, this is the original equation, is equal to cos a by 2. This is what being proved. So I can easily say that left side of the equation is nothing but right side of the equation, because the left hand side of the equation we reached here is equal to cos a by 2. So I can say left side of the equation is equal to cos a by 2, and right side of the equation what we have, it is being given is equal to cos a by 2. So we can say left hand side of the equation is equal to right side of the equation. Hence proved. Hence proved. What is being asked in the question, it is being proved now. So this is what being asked, because it is, as per the question, it is being said that if A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that or prove that sine B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos A upon 2. That is what we proved. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, and we reached our answer. Hope guys you understood this calculation or this process or these steps, whatever it may be. But still, if you have any question or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.